I wanted to talk about these cards here. Not this particular brand. There's several of them like this, edible wild herbs and different tubers and different plants that you can eat that are wild in North America. These here in particular cost about $10, and you can put a ring on them. You see how they all got a hole up in the corner? Or you can just carry them in the box like I do, but these are all real heavy and they're plastic coated, waterproof. But they tell each plant and give you a good picture of it, along with a description of how to prepare them, how to dry them, preserve them, different ways of eating them, which ones will make tea and medicines. But this thing covers all geographic areas in the United States and most of Europe, actually, and Canada as well. And some of these in particular are really ones you should look into, like spirulina. It grows everywhere, and it's a complete protein, which means, you know, it's like eating a steak. Not saying it tastes that good. It's just, you know, if you're trying to stay alive, you want to remain as healthy as possible. And like I say, you might not be happy, but it's something that'll keep you going. And these are always important. No one wants to ever have to depend on something like this. It's just another tool. And these are $10. The ones that I got them through My Patriot Supply. Now, if you go look for any kind of wild edible cards, you'll find them everywhere. But I'd rather give them my money than Jeff Bezos. So, if possible, you know, still go to Walmart when I have to if I can't find something somewhere else. But try not to do business with them people. Yeah, these things cover everything, and you never know. Not to mention, depending on where you live, some of these things are readily available and very good, you know. For instance, where I live, I'm out here in Big Muddy. It's a National Wildlife Preserve. There's nothing out at the moment, but soon there'll be these blackberries and strawberries and gooseberries. I mean, they'll be everywhere, and I definitely like to pick them. I just thought maybe you'd want to check these out. Somebody out there does. You don't necessarily have to get this particular one, but any of them's worth buying. But don't pay over $10. I mean, you're pretty much getting ripped off, because you can find them just about anywhere. They're just something good to have. Keep it in your bag. Take your kids out, or just go out yourself and look around. It's good to have a nice colored card, so to where you can identify. It doesn't hurt, even if you're not eating them, to get to know them. Hope you like it.